Lawyers here at the Joye Law Firm say it's their goal to make sure their clients here in South Carolina aren't taken advantage of by large companies and corporations. And it's obvious that passion for helping others reaches far beyond the courtroom. Here's a closer look at what's made the Joye Law Firm so successful for so long. Since 1968, the Joye Law Firm has been fighting for people facing legal challenges. The firm's founder, Reese Joye, established a reputation of tenacity and always made sure his practice was focused on protecting the rights of individuals. And although he passed away in July of 2008, this firm still proudly stands on the foundation upon which this practice was built.
We've stayed consistent with that same idea that Reese had, which was, you know what, if I'm not going to get a job with the big corporate firm, I'm going to be the lawyer for the people.
The tenacity in fighting for your clients to the very last is something that I'm very proud of to this day, and we still carry on through.
These days, Reese's son Mark, along with his best friend and managing partner Ken Harrell, head up this talented team. In 1997, this group garnered national acclaim when it represented a family that lost a child as the result of a defective door latch on a Chrysler minivan. The jury returned a verdict of more than $262 million, which at the time was the largest verdict ever against an auto manufacturer in the United States.
It actually altered the way that corporation was doing business in regard to that vehicle and that defect. It took that verdict to get them serious about fixing the problem.
Because we've been involved in such high-profile cases, we're not afraid to go after the big guys.
It's obvious going after the big guys is a team approach. Lawyers here have combined litigation experience of more than 130 years, and they aren't afraid to go to trial if that's what's best for their client's case. They have the experience and reputation to get the results clients deserve.
I'm not out to try to settle your case on the cheap, but I'm going to be very thorough, and I want to make sure when I file a lawsuit that I've got the advantage. I'm going to keep the advantage. I'm going to keep the defense lawyer backpedaling the whole way through to trial, and I'm going to be the one pushing your case to trial.
At the Joye Law Firm, the client always comes first.
We've got a policy that every call that comes in to a staff member or a lawyer in this office is to be returned within 24 hours. And our goal is to return on that same day.
The client is putting a lot of trust in us to handle their case. And it's tough for them to be sitting at home and not knowing what's going on with their case. So when they call, they get a call back.
Aside from their legal expertise, the men and women here truly care about the people in this community. In fact, in 2008, the Joye Law Firm donated more than $25,000 to local charities and organizations. And in 2009, they created Joy in the Community, a comprehensive program that encompasses all of the firm's community and service efforts to support local education and aid organizations committed to improving the health and well-being of others.
For us, I mean, this community has been very good to us. I mean, again, you know, we've been here for 40 years. We've been a part of the community for that long, and you know, we're very grateful for the way the communities that surround us have supported us.
Reporting for the EXP News Network in Charleston, South Carolina, I'm Josh Talkington.